How to log in or sign into crypto.com on your desktop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can log in into crypto.com using up a PC. So without any delay, let's just find out. For that, you need to open up a browser and go to crypto.com, and when you head over there, you'll be finding this page on the screen. So unfortunately, crypto.com doesn't allow us to log in using the desktop version, the web version. In order to log in, instead of using a web version, what we can do is apply up a simple method. For that, you can just go ahead and open up your device and your mobile device and just download the application. It is available freely in any of the app store. You can just go and search for crypto.com there. And once installed, you can just go to the login page and you'll be finding login and sign up. Select the login, and after that just go and log in using your credentials and you will be logged in into a crypto.com. So that is how you can log in into a crypto.com following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.